Brooklyn Independent Television.
Doing your income taxes doesn't always have to be a drag, especially since Brooklyn is filled with experts on the latest tax breaks and a calculator. Reporter Lauren Muraski visited a tax preparation clinic in Bed-Stuy and saw what's shaping up to be a busy tax season.
Yeah, so you could.
Tax season is heating up, and this year, preparers are reminding filers to scope out credits and other deductions. But just how do you do that? Many Brooklynites are finding those answers from IRS-certified tax preparers at no cost. There are many free local services out there, so on a recent Saturday, I checked out the Brooklyn Cooperative Federal Credit Union's tax prep headquarters in Bed-Stuy to see how they're helping and what you need to know before filing your return.
Well, these people are probably either waiting to fill out surveys or for the next prepare. So when we go through here and we give them to another preparer, so we have preparers that speak Spanish and English in order to serve. We just are very blessed. We have 2 people that actually speak Spanish.
It's mostly volunteers that you see here helping local residents file their annual taxes.
Oh, you did the utilities. Perfect. You did a great job. Everything else looks great. So go put those in. We get some repeat volunteers, and the volunteers are crucial. They're very good. And they come and they do it for free for the people in the community, and it's a free service. So it's crucial. So we try to be real nice to them. Make sure all the information is good and you're good.
Okay, great.
All right? But everything is good. Did you have any questions for me? No. You guys are good, right? All right, cool.
I've been wanting to do my tax for a couple of days now, but I don't have the money. So when I saw free, I came yesterday, got the information, and then I came back this morning with my husband who need to do it. We're doing it both together. I know it's something necessary to be done, so I just want to get it over with.
So here's the deal. In order to get free tax preparation help from the Brooklyn Cooperative, you need to have your documents handy, and you'll also need to make $50,000 or less a year as an individual or a family.
Last year we served 3,500 taxpayers. This year we're looking to be a bit more aggressive and do about 4,500.
I was walking home from the train and I saw the sign, I saw the building, I read about it, I decided to come in. In the past I've gone to H&R Block or Jackson and Hewitt and they charged me large sums of money to file my taxes. It's extra work I didn't want to have to do. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 is enough for me.
The basis of the program is to help individuals realize and understand earned income tax credits. These credits are not available to them unless they file their income taxes.
So the main credits that a lot of our filers that come here, because it is local income, is the earned income credit, the child tax credit, and dependent care credits. So if you're coming for those credits, you definitely need to have like the Social Security numbers. You need to make sure that you have the date of birth are correct. If you file independent care credits, make sure you have that filer's Social Security or EIN number, and you have the information about who you paid to do the child care for your child.
As for freelancers and the unemployed, there are other things to keep in mind.
With the self-employed, if people have income and then they have expenses under $10,000, if they keep track, all you really need to do to keep track is to make sure you know how much you made, and then have written expenses. Like if you do child care, if you do hair care, if you do cleaning, just have an idea of what your expenses, and keep a little logbook, and then bring that to us so we can accurately prepare your return. This year we noticed a lot of people were made aware of the fact that they can withhold from their unemployment, both federal and state. People weren't withholding state before. That made a difference because a lot of people were maybe getting money back on the federal, but they owed on the state.
Whatever your situation, free help could be available so you can get those forms into Uncle Sam before the April 18th deadline. For Brooklyn Review, I'm Lauren Muraski.
Become a fan on Facebook. Like Brooklyn Independent Television.